My name is Jack Kamin. I'm a 91-year-old World War II veteran. And I'm going to sing to you a very nice song because I'm just like a cowboy, so I'm going to sing a cowboy song. Okay, Wayne?
Do it.
Okay. Davy Crockett, king of the Delancey Street. Davy Crockett, king of the Delancey Street. Born in the wilds of the Delancey Street, home of gefilte fish and kosher meat. He's such a fine boy, as I'll see. They flicked him a chicken when he was only 3. Davy Crockett, king of the Delancey Street. He went out west on his featherlift flame, took along his Bible lift with a shame. Flame would get fleet via an airplane. He got to Las Vegas ahead of the train. Davy Crockett, he got a bubble and they up it. Davy Crockett, he was a banter, the best in the world. Out came the sixes, and there goes the gelt. Davy Crockett, he lost his pets and he went home knocking. Davy Crockett, he's back on the Delancey Street.
Jack!
This number that I'm going to do now, I'm running a show for where I live in a place called Heritage Gardens, or Heritage Club rather, and we're going to do a show, and I wrote a song to old people. You're not old people here, but where I live, they're old people. Believe me. Okay.
Your name.
We reached the age of 65, our golden days are here. They say that the period will be another year. And now our Uncle Sam becomes a permanent cashier as we go marching on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah, as we go bravely on. And as for fare for Medicare, will someone tell us how? We always find the checks that they would not, that did allow. And dentist costs as well, we know they also don't allow. But we'll go bravely on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah, as we go bravely on. And let's set him for Medicare. Will someone tell us how? They always find some doctor bills they never disallow. And dentist costs as well, we know they always don't allow. So we'll go marching on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah, as we go marching on. And I'm forgetting the words, I'm so nervous here. First of all, let's thank the Lord that we are still alive. The dreams we have will still be true when we are 95. So please, dear Lord, give us the strength, our troubles to survive as we go bravely on. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah. Glory, glory, hallelujah, as we go bravely on.
Yeah, Jack.
I did that song 1,000 times, how did I forget the words?
World War II veteran. Here's a story about my time in the Army Air Corps. I call it I Bombed It. The Corps came when least expected. I was nighttime in cold England. The field was lined with C-47 carrier planes. Suddenly a voice shouts out, "You the flight engineer on A for Able?" "Yes, Sarge," I snapped back. I was ordered to pull guard duty inside my plane. First I went to chow, and my mind started to work. What did I have to guard? After eating, I put on my parka and boots to keep me warm with my carbine in hand. A jeep pulled up to take me to A for Able. It was then that I was told that I was to guard the northern bomb sites in cases. It was top secret. A bombardier flying a Fortress, which was a B-17, could put a bomb right down a German chimney. That's how important I was that night. Alone I made myself comfortable, but to tell the truth, I jumped at every sound. I told myself I could really kill somebody if they tried to grab the cases. After all, the bombs could win the war for the Allies, and I would be part of it. Hell, it's them or me. I grabbed my rifle a little tighter. Hours went creeping by when I heard a tapping on the bailout door. I hollered, "Who goes there?" "Don't shoot, it's Cruz." He was my best buddy coming to keep me company. My fear disappeared as we sat smoking and throwing the bull, wondering what the bomb sites looked like. Should we break a case open and look? Nah, we could get court-martialed and shot as spies. Suddenly lights came in through the pilot's window and I heard Top Sergeant holler, "Open up and get the hell out." I unlatched the bailout door, and lo and behold, the whole squad was outside my plane. We carefully unloaded the cases when the laughter and backslapping started. They pulled a stick on me. Stick in Yiddish means joke. The cases marked top secret were filled with thousands of rolls of toilet paper. After reading SOS, heck, there were times we needed that more than bomb sites. Ask any GI, they would tell you so. Thank you very much.
Oh boy, Jack.